Students, I have shown you India map, its location, latitude, longitude. Okay, and now I am showing you the map of Brazil. Okay, now Brazil, the latitude. Now see from Brazil from here to the bottom. Okay, this is known as the latitude. Now latitude begins from 33 degree 45 inch. Okay, 33 degree means here, no, this is 35, up you go, 33 degree 45 inch, this is latitude, and ends here, see, ends where it is ending, it is ending, that is how much, more than 5 degree, isn't it? More than 5 degree, or you can say latitude, that is 73 degree 48 inches. Okay, here 33 degree 45 inches, and here that is 73 degree 48 inches east. Then we see the longitude. Longitude means like this. Okay, longitude, here see, it is ending here, that is 35 degree 45 inches west, and here we go, that is more than, it is ending here. Okay, if you draw a line here, it will be 73 degree 48 inch east. Clear? Then here in Brazil, the equator is passing. Okay, equator is passing through the north of Brazil. Now where does this Brazil lie? Brazil lie, or it is located at the South Africa. South Africa, that is, most of the Brazil lie below the equator. Got this clear? And here we have Tropic of Capricorn towards the southern part. Yes, I'll show you in another diagram where is Brazil. Now see, where is Brazil? This is South Africa. Yes, this is North Africa. So Brazil is lying in this area. The black or the darkened portion, shaded portion, that is Brazil. So Brazil lies in South America. That means it is extending from east to west. I told you equator also is passing from Brazil, from the top, and most of the Brazil lies to the southern part. Clear? And where I told one more is there, I told in Brazil what is there? Tropic of Capricorn. Yes, Tropic of Capricorn. Understood this? Okay. Now I will show you in your textbook. See Brazil. This is the Brazil diagram or the map. It will come in exam to locate all these places. Para, where is Para, or locate Para? We have to. Then Mato Grosso. Okay. Then Mato Grosso do Sul. Then Paraná. Then Santa Catarina or Amazonas. Okay, all that it will come for you to locate in the map. Then we have Amapá. Okay, Para. Then so many other points you have to locate it in the map which is asked for you. Yes, this is very important. You have to study it very properly. Okay, then we turn to the next page. Only the map of India and Brazil. Read it thoroughly. I will read for you. Just see. Historical background. India was under the British rule for almost 1.5 century. India got its independence in the year 1947. Despite facing several problems like 3 wars, famine situation in various parts and similar issues after independence, India is a major developing country in the world. India is considered to be a global market too because of various economic reforms from time to time. India's economic development has placed up. The proportion of youth in India's population is high. As this form a major part of a working population, India is looking upon as a young country. ये तो आपको समझ में आया होगा. इंडिया ब्रिटिश रूल का अंदर था कितने साल तक? 150 ईयर्स तक. इंडिपेंडेंस उसको कब मिला? 1947. इंडिया का अंदर बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स थे और इंडिया 3 वॉर देख चुका है और युद्ध कर चुका है. प्रॉब्लम्स क्या क्या थे? फैमिन बोले तो दुष्काल था, खाने पीने का लाले पड़े थे, पानी का था, बहुत ख़राब परिस्थिति था. इंडिपेंडेंस के बाद भी इंडिया एक डेवलपिंग कंट्री है वर्ल्ड में और मार्केटिंग बहुत अच्छा करता है इंडिया. इकोनॉमिक रिफॉर्म्स टाइम टू टाइम होता है. अभी इंडिया में पॉपुलेशन यूथ के बहुत हाई है, तो अभी इंडिया को सब दुनिया में देखा जाता है, यंग इंडिया करके देखा जाता है. हिस्टोरिकल बैकग्राउंड ऑफ ब्राज़ील. फॉर मोर देन 3 centuries बोले तो 300 साल ब्राज़ील वॉज अंडर पोर्चुगीज रूल. मैं कल बता चुकी हूँ आपको. ब्राज़ील गेन्ड इट्स इंडिपेंडेंस इन 1822. फ्रॉम 1930 to 1985, for more than a half century, it was under a populist military government. It has overcome global financial difficulties in the 20th century. Brazil is seen as a distributor of economic growth of the country and an important market in the future. समझ में आया? और देखो आपको वर्ल्ड मैप भी दिया है. मैंने आपको दिखाया था. ये नॉर्थ अमेरिका, साउथ अमेरिका में यहाँ पे ब्राज़ील है, ठीक है. और इंडिया कहाँ पे है? ये एशियन कंट्री में इंडिया है. ओके, आई हैव गिवन यू सम notes like answer or rewrite the wrong ones into correct form. Okay, better do it in your notebook and learn the geography.